Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel Learn English with Rupa. And in this video we are going to talk about very important thing. So make sure to watch this video at the end. So before any further ado, let's get into the video. See my dear friend, as a beginner, might be you are thinking that how many months this English journey will take me to become fluent, right? Isn't so? Are you thinking this? Because when I was beginner actually, so I was thinking this. When I used to do practice every single day before going to bed, I used to think that how I can also speak English fluently, effortlessly. So maybe you are also thinking this, right? So don't worry. In this video, I am going to tell you that how many months this English will take you to become fluent. So let get start our video and be with me and watch each and everything. Don't miss one single video so that you can become fluent so quickly in this language being in village area just like me without paying a single money. See, first of all, it is quite difficult for me to tell you that how many months you will take to become fluent in this language. Why? Reason is very simple, because it totally depends upon you. You know, like for example, you know very well that how much marks you can score in your class test, in your exam test, because you know that how much hard work you are doing, right? So like this, you only know that how much time this journey will take you to become fluent. See, if you are doing practice every single day, like what is the pillar for learning this language? It means what is the important thing to learn this language? Speaking effortlessly, reading and listening a lot, and in secondary writing you can say, and other thing grammars and also vocab will come. But speaking is really important, because ultimately we are doing this all activity in order to speak, in order to enhance ourselves, in order to boost confidence, right? So if you are giving time on this all thing every day, so you will definitely improve. But if you are not learning this language, if you are not speaking this language every single day, like you speak one day, then after that you don't speak 2 days, and after that you speak. So this is how, if you are doing practice, so this will take a lot of time, yes guys. But if you are doing practice every single day, if you are speaking, reading, writing, listening, and if you are focusing on grammar as well, you are going to improve a lot within 1 month. This is my guarantee to you. For example, suppose that there are two students, okay, one student, both students, they go to a school, they go to tuition, but one student, he is doing self-study 7 hours except school and tuition, and one is doing a study only for 1 hour except school and tuition. So who will score good marks? So those who is giving too much time, those who is taking their exam future serious. So like this, if you want to learn this language quickly, what you should do, you should speak, read, write seriously, so that you can learn this language easily, fluently and confidently. See, and second thing which I want to tell you, this is very important thing guys. While learning this language, you can face a lot of problem, and might be you will get problem from the people only, that people will say that you are from village, you cannot learn English, your father is this, your mother is this, you can't learn this language. Because it was happening with me, I have faced this problem. Yes, my dear friend, I have faced this problem. When I was learning this language, I have remembered so many people used to tease me that you can't learn English because your parents are uneducated, this, that, and I was getting so much negative comment from the people. One boy, he is younger than me, and he told that you can't learn English. This hurt me a lot, and every single day whenever I used to go to bed, I used to weep, I used to cry that why I cannot learn English. If my family condition is like this, if my father is like this, why I cannot achieve my dream? So I did not take that negative. Okay, I took that positive. I decided that no matter what will happen, I will learn this language. Now I have to tell that boy that who I am. If my father is labor, so will their children will be labor? No. If someone is a rickshaw wala, so their children will be also rickshaw wala? No. How can you say? If they do hard work, if they understand their family condition, if they do hard work, then they can change their situation, they can make their family happy. So like this, my dear friend, people will come. One day I was talking with one man, and he sells vegetable, and his friend always tease him that, oh, you are a vegetable seller and you are learning English, you never become fluent in English. So he was crying. He was elder than me, and he was crying. So I told that, bhaiya, like, don't worry, you can learn. Even I have faced this problem. I motivated him. So he told, thank you so much, sister, to motivated me. So I am also saying to you, my dear friend, that you should never compare your problems. Because why you are learning English, why you are doing a study, why are you doing a study for 12 hours at 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock? To change your situation, to change your present situation. Somewhere you have believed that no, you can do something good for your parent, no, you can become something different. So that is why keep doing hard work, keep learning, keep enjoying. You should never feel unconfident, because in the life there will be some bad time, good time. This is the reality of life. You will have to accept it, and keep doing hard work, keep learning, and never be sad. And if any problem is coming in your life, you should make yourself stronger and fight with that, cope with that, and try to find out the solution. Don't be sad, don't afraid of doing something, start something. Like, beginning will be hard, but at the end you will definitely gonna get result. So thank you so much for watching, and keep watching my videos. And if my videos are supporting you, please like, subscribe and share.